What's up guys, we are trying to figure out if we can pull an Airbus A380 with a Parkside cordless drill driver. And that's why today I'm back at the Technical University to talk about the details of the calculation. What are we looking at right now?
As you can see here, here's the cordless power drill, and we want to attach this to a winch. We are using a pulley, and this pulley is doubling our force, and therefore we are halving our rope speed.
So we don't hook up the Parkside cordless drill directly to the airplane. We use the winch, the rope and the pulley, and that is connected to the A380.
Exactly.
Okay, and do you really think we can generate enough force for the airplane to actually move?
We are pulling the rope back, we're pulling it onto this drum, the diameter enlarges, and so the force capability of our winch is dependent on how much a rope is on this winch drum.
So we really need the diameter of the winch itself, but also we need to know the exact diameter of the rope, and depending on how many times it wraps around, is it affecting our force as well?
Yeah, for this winch we selected, we have around 85 millimeters of diameter of this drum, and this rope is 12 millimeters in diameter.
Hold on, the rope that's pulling a 325-ton airplane is 12 millimeters in diameter.
But so we can calculate the torque the cordless drill has to build up in order to move the plane. So here we can put in 130 kilonewtons. We have our effective diameter we calculate with this formula. We have a transmission ratio of the pulley of 2, and we have right about an effectiveness of 80% we put in there, and so we can calculate the torque we need for driving this pulley. In total we need, let's say, around about 60 Newton meters should be enough.
Because we know the drill is capable to up to 80 Newton meters, so we may just actually be able, that the drill is powerful enough to pull the airplane.
Yeah, for sure. So
wow.
That's what we calculated.
Okay, exciting. So it's actually great that we can order everything we need just online off the shelf. So I'm gonna do that. We're gonna be back here for the build-up and test it out. Yes. That's gonna be a different kind of DIY project.